Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove subtitles from a video using media.io. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type media.io, and this is what it looks like. What you want to do is to simply log into your account. If you don't have one, then you have to sign up for free. Now once you're logged in, or once you have your account already, you can go to this part right here and tap this watermark remover. So if I tap this one here, it will take you directly to this where you need to really sign up. Okay, so you cannot use this one if you have not logged into your account or you didn't sign up for free. So this is what it looks like, and what you want to do is simply upload your video here. Okay, so suppose that this is your video. So you want to remove this one here, like a watermark. What you want to do is go to the right side and you have two options, standard model and AI model. So if you tap this one here, all you have to do is to click this add area, and then you just have to simply select the part where you want to remove the watermark. Tap remove subjects, and then you have also other options like AI model where you want to simply brush the area or the part where you want to remove, and then click remove objects now. So once done, you will see here that it is now processing. And once you're okay with the result, you just have to click download, and this is the result. So it has removed the watermark already. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorials.